Miss Mahlon, guess what? Yesterday, me and my dad and Finley went on a trail all the way to a waterfall about 8.5 miles away, riding our bikes. And in the middle of it, Dad said we should turn around, but I didn't care. I'm not afraid of the storm, and we did it. But on our way back, the storm happened, and I was screaming so loud. I just wanted to be home.
Tell her what you saw.
I saw dirt flying around, and the rooftop flying around, too.
It was raining.
It was raining. It was storming. Dirt was flying around.
You finally got to the truck, didn't you?
And, yep. And we saw tops of things, flying over the place.
Yeah. It was scary.
And I wanted to be home.